Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to register an account on Netspend. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to sign up for a Netspend account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in netspend.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for sign up Netspend on the Google itself, and on the first result you can see the Netspend print account. Click over there and let's let the pages load first. And you can see this is the page where we had opened from Google. Now let's click on Netspend once, and now you can see this is not loading. Let's let the page load first. And after that you can see we are on the home page of the Netspend from over here. Now to sign up for a Netspend account, you can see the sign up option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign up now, and it's still not loading from over here. Let's close one of these now. To create an account on Netspend, you'll be required to enter your first name. After that, click here, enter your last name, enter your address over here with street address and apartment name also. Enter your zip code and enter your email ID over here. Choose your card type and review the fee, and click on the review the fees associated with your prepaid card like this, and you will be able to find your fees for your preferred card. And then after that you can see I have reviewed the fees, and then click on over I have reviewed the fees and choose your card. And then on the next page you will have created an account on Netspend with a further more details. And guys, this is how you register an account on Netspend. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.